Where is the next BTC target as Bitcoin price prediction as BTC falls back down to $30,000 support? The price of Bitcoin has suffered a blow as it drops back to the crucial support level of $30,000. At the time of writing, the price of one Bitcoin is approximately $30,330. Recent news on the cryptocurrency industry includes a Coinbase user's claim that Bank of America closed their account as a result of Bitcoin transactions, highlighting possible difficulties banks may have accepting digital assets. Further emphasizing the ongoing legal and regulatory issues in the cryptocurrency space is the fact that regulators have criticized Judge Torres' decision in the SEC versus Ripple case that XRP is not a securities. Investors are now interested in the next BTC price movement goal as Bitcoin finds support at the $30,000 level. Bank of America is being investigated for closing a user's Coinbase account. Bank of America came under fire when a Coinbase user expressed worries about the bank closing their account because of Bitcoin transactions. The CEO of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, responded right afterwards and inquired as to whether other customers had experienced similar issues with Bank of America. Stacks, a platform for Bitcoin smart contracts, co-founder Manib Ali complained on Twitter on Wednesday that Bank of America had abruptly cancelled his bank account, which he had used for 15 years, without giving any reason. Backlash against the bank was brought on by this incident. Ali has a strong suspicion that the bank account's closure was caused by using it to buy Bitcoin through Coinbase. He wrote on Twitter, "This is a war on Bitcoin and crypto." Many others responded to Armstrong's query by sharing their own experiences. However, some stated they had not encountered any problems. However, a sizable proportion stated that as a result of Bitcoin transactions, their banks had either restricted or closed their accounts. This unfavorable sentiment put downward pressure on Bitcoin on Saturday. A regulator appeals Judge Torres' decision in the SEC versus Ripple case regarding the security status of XRP. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Ripple have achieved partial victories in their court struggle, enabling the SEC to move on with its claim. The SEC has stated their position in response to the court's ruling, drawing condemnation from the XRP community. According to reports, the SEC may decide to keep pursuing the matter. In accordance with the judge's decision, Ripple was found to have broken securities regulations by occasionally offering and selling XRP as investment contracts. Notably, the sale of XRP to institutional investors was in violation, but the judge sided with Ripple when it came to sales to the general public. This decision creates a disparity in the way securities laws are applied depending on the types of investors involved. The likelihood that the SEC will pursue its case has increased pressure on Bitcoin's value on Saturday. Price prediction for Bitcoin. After failing to surpass the significant resistance level at $31,793, which formed a double barrier for its price movement, Bitcoin had a major drop. Bitcoin is currently trading at $30,300 and finding support at the $30,000 level, which is also supported by an upward trendline. The closing candlesticks above the trendline signify a steadfast bullish attitude. However, $30,411 may serve as a point of resistance, which could temper Bitcoin's rising trend. If the $30,000 threshold is crossed, the next support level to watch is somewhere around the $29,500 mark. The $30,750 area is marked by considerable resistance because of the Relative Strength Index, RSI, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and 50-day Exponential Moving Average. If $30,000 is decisively broken, Bitcoin may move towards the next target of $29,500 and continue its downward trend to $28,700. On the other hand, breaking beyond the $30,400 mark would pave the way for additional upside possibilities with targets of $30,700 and $31,350. The price action around $30,000 is a critical pivot point that could determine whether the trend will continue or resume, therefore traders and investors should pay special attention to it. On the other hand, if Bitcoin crosses the $30,400 mark, it might open up more room for growth, with price objectives of $30,700 and $31,350. As a significant pivot point, the price activity around the $30,000 level needs to be attentively watched. Immediate support is seen at around $30,000. If this level is breached, further pressure might be applied downward around $29,500. On the other hand, A break over $30,400 might pave the way for possible advances towards $30,700 and $31,350. These crucial levels should be closely watched by traders and investors in order to get an understanding of the short-term price direction of Bitcoin and modify their strategy accordingly.